Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep an element, like an image, inside a frame in Figma, even when you're moving it around. If you've ever been working in Figma and found that your image seems to just pop out of the frame the moment you nudge it near the border, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know a couple of simple but really effective methods to make sure your images or any other elements stay neatly inside the frame, just the way you want them. Let's jump right in and get started. Okay, so let's lay out the scenario. You've got an image inside a Figma frame. Maybe you're designing a card, a profile section, or even a mock-up for a mobile app. The problem is, when you move your frame or adjust its size, suddenly your image won't stick inside. It jumps right out past the borders of the frame. That can be super frustrating, especially when you want everything to stay nice and organized. So what's the trick to keeping that image locked in place? The first thing you can try is making the image itself a bit bigger than the frame. Here, how you do it, click to select the image within your frame. Now carefully drag the edges of the image so it bleeds out past the borders of the frame just a little. This might feel counterintuitive, but making your image slightly larger essentially guarantees that when you move the frame or shift things around, the image still fills the visible area and you avoid those annoying gaps or pop-outs at the edges. Think of this almost like a picture mat in a photo frame. The image is actually a little bigger than what you see, so whatever way you move things, the visible part always looks clean and intentional. Just be careful not to scale your image up too much, or you might lose quality, especially if you need to zoom in or design at higher resolutions. Now, let's say you actually want to move the image within the frame itself, to reposition it and get that perfect crop or focus. Here's the neat shortcut. First, click on the image to select it, just like before. Then hold down the spacebar on your keyboard. While holding spacebar, you'll see your cursor transform into a little hand. This is Figma's panning tool in action. Now you can click and drag the image wherever you want, all within the confines of the frame. It's kind of like sliding a photo around behind a window. You get to choose exactly how it's displayed without the risk of dragging it out of the frame altogether. These two techniques, resizing the image a bit larger and using the spacebar to pan, are incredibly helpful once you get the hang of them. And if things don't quite line up the way you expect at first, don't stress. Just take a moment and gently nudge things back until it looks just right. Figma's non-destructive editing makes it easy to experiment and refine your design without the fear of breaking anything. Alright, that's all there is to it. You should now be able to keep your images, and really any element, securely inside your frames while working in Figma, making your designs cleaner and your workflow much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, and drop me a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Figma tutorials and creative design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.